Kanye, can I talk to you for a minute? Me and the other faculty members was wondering, could you do a little song, something beautiful, something that the kids are gonna love when they hit. It's gonna make them start jumping up and down and sharing candy and stuff. I think you could probably do something for the kids from graduation to sing.
Oh yeah, I got the perfect song for the kids to sing.
And all my people that's drug dealing just to get by. Stack your money till it gets sky high. We might as well simply get past 25. Jokes on you, we still alive. Throw your hands up in the sky and say we don't care what people say.
What the fuck was that, Kanye? I told you to do some shit for the kids. You give me your motherfucking graduating tickets right now. You give me this motherfucking rope. What you catching senioritis? You will not walk across that stage. You won't slide across that stage. Motherfucker can't pull you across that motherfucking stage, Kanye. Who told you to? I told you to do some uplifting. I'm trying to get you out here with these white people. If they gonna do me, you know what? You's a nigga. And I don't mean that in no nice way. That little kid singing about the shit. No, the joke's on you. You throw your hands in the air and wave goodbye to everybody as you get the fuck off this campus. What the fuck you gonna do now?
I'm about to break the news, but don't tell anybody. I got something better than school. Don't tell anybody. My mom wanna kill me, so don't tell anybody. She wants me to get a good ass job, just like everybody. She ain't wanting my shit. I'm just not everybody.
I knew I was see you again. I'm not gonna see you again. Where your goddamn book bag at? I was carrying that little book bag. Nobody wanna see that. Goddamn fourth grader. Sit your ass down. You don't have to play the game like he got something else to do. You don't got nothing else to do. You ain't doing nothing with your life. Nothing with your life. You think this is? You better look at me when I'm talking to you. You think this shit easy, don't you? You think this is promise. There ain't nothing promised to you. Look at my face. Do I got a promise face? You look like I promise you anything. Kanye, did you snow in my class? Wake up, Mr. West. Wake up, Mr. West. Mr. West. Mr. West.
And I heard him say, nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. From the shy, like Tim it's a harder way. So this is in the name of love, like prophecy. Before you ask me to go get a job today, can I at least get a raise on the minimum wage? And I know the government administer aid, so I guess we just pray like the minister say. I'm Akbar, throwing some hot cars. The things we seen on the screen, it's not ours. But these niggas on the hoods, or these dreams not far. Where I'm from, the dope boys is the rock stars. But they can't cop cars without seeing cop cars. I guess they want us all behind bars. And I heard him say, nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. And I heard him say, nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. But we'll find a way.
Nothing lasts forever, but we all stay. But it may be the only way.
They say people in your life for seasons, and anything that happen is for a reason. And niggas gun clapping and keep squeezing, and grab keep praying and keep believing in Jesus. And one day that you see him, till then walk in his footsteps and try to beat him. The devil is alive, I feel him breathing. Claim the money is the key, so keep on dreaming. And put them lottery tickets just to tease. My aunt Pam put them cigarettes down, so now my little cousin smoking them cigarettes now. His job try to claim that he's niggerish now. Is it cause his skin blacker than licorice now? I can't figure it out, sticking in that. And I heard him say, nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. And I heard him say, nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. But we'll find a way.
Nothing lasts forever, but we all stay. But it may be the only way. Maybe with this word we can move far away. Nothing's ever promised tomorrow today. Nothing lasts forever, but we all stay. But it may be the only way.
I brought you brothers here today to start our own fraternity. Broke, five broke, we ain't got it. Broke, five broke, we ain't got it. No, we have no money, we out sharing jeans. If I go outside, I got the only clothing on.
You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. Your boyfriend is the door, make loving. Pulled up in the ghost, fucked bitch about in London. And I fucked up on the cousin or her sister, I don't know nothing. And my niggas getting ignorant, like a lighter, bitch be ignorant. All this water on my neck look like I fell when I went fishing. So diamonds on my bust now, ooh, fuck, it's the time.
Oh yeah.
Can't smoke her sipping train, ooh, fuck, she take mine. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. Such a fucking hoe. When the first time they asked you, you was sparkling or still. They try to act like you was drinking sparkling water before you came out here. You're such a fucking, I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I like my dick sucked up. I use sick truck. I use slim tits. I get you that nip tuck. How you start a family, the time slipped up. I'm a sick fuck, I'm inappropriate. I like hearing stories, I like that whole shit. I want the emotion, I like the whole shit. Send me slow shit, you tripping hoe, bitch, bitch, bitch. Such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it.
You know, all day they can say shit they won't say. They had the fake orgasms and shit. We can tell niggas today, hey, I wanna come, motherfucker. Sincerity, all eyes on me, all eyes on me.
Bust it like you movie out, girl. All the girls here, give me your cooties. And I ain't gonna lie, it's a challenge if you bougie brothers hear about chill, baby girl. Let's make a movie.
You wanna watch? You wanna?
I have a nitrous Christmas. It'll be nitrous. I don't know if there'll be AI, but if so, give me more. I have a nitrous Christmas. I will shop at Aldi. Husband is the best song that I've ever made. Everybody go back home, money go back home, me in no daytime. It's daytime, over this time of year. Light the tree up with nitrous oxide and pictures of vultures too. Have a nitrous Christmas. And if you shop at Aldi's, don't forget to use AI on all of your songs too.
Have a nitrous Christmas. If you throw a chair at one of your friends on stage, you're gonna have a beautiful day. Have a nitrous Christmas. And if you shop at Aldi's, use AI for everything you do and everything you say.
Nitrous Christmas. I need to shop at Aldi's again. I'm still king of nitrous. I love nitrous. Have nitrous Christmas. And if you wanna use AI on Bully, you have to use it on Vultures too. And Vultures 3, and Vultures 3. Vultures 3 is gonna drop, and you are going to be happy when Vultures 3 drops. It will be the best collab album at all time, better than Vultures 2. And anti-dollar sign will like it. Everybody will love it. Better than Vultures 5. Oh, Vultures 3, Vultures 3. I'm gonna have Vultures 3. Vultures 3 will draw. It will not be delayed. Vultures 3, Vultures 3, Vultures 3. Vultures 3 will drop and it won't be delayed. Oh, everybody looking at Vultures 3. Why don't you just go back to college, drop out, or graduation? Vultures 3, Vultures 3. Everybody loves it better than college drop out of Vultures 2 or 1. Vultures 3 is gonna be the best collab album between me and Ty-Dolla$ign. I'll get Ty-Dolla$ign, and his Ty-Dolla$ign. Ooh, ooh, oh, Vultures 3, Vultures 3. I shop at all these. I get all these nuts. Vultures 3, what it mean? I will make believe sound like Vultures 3, and I'm going to use AI on every song, and it will be the best thing you've ever heard. I will use AI.
Come on, still had no surrender. Out of her son, who knows? And if you ever saw him, you wouldn't say he close. Ken Ross, the red-nosed reindeer, he may fly spaghetti, and Mr. Sue, he will make I remember to flying spaghetti. Mr. Sue ain't even supposed to speak on this album, and if he do, that's going to be bad for who? Can lost the red off right now, and now we're signing out. And every night right now, you only want to say it's like Ken Mouse, Ken Ross. Where are they to go? I've been looking for you. Play it during Christmas time. Promise in the car in Christmas time. We will have Ken Ross knows. We will steal his ye. I hate to say words. I don't know what they would do if they didn't see Ken Ross. They sung he's the best someday. Ken was produced. Ken Ross the red-nosed reindeer is Ken Ross the red-nosed burner. Burn the burner. And where is round man and you ever saw him, you will say he glows. If you ever saw him, you would have to say he had to glow, 'cause you know that is the